How to grow your business by publishing a book. Becoming a published author can help you build your brand as an expert or as the CEO of a successful business. It can also help position you as a thought leader in your industry. If you haven't already published a book related to your niche to show off your knowledge, you could be leaving money on the table. Why write and publish a book? Authors tend to have a certain status in society. They are seen as people who can write, which may or may not be true, and have specialized knowledge as a non-fiction writer that might be worth paying attention to. The word publish means to make widely available. Publishing a book, therefore, means sharing your knowledge with the world in what should be an easy-to-understand format, such as a paper book or an e-book. Once you have published a book, it can open up all sorts of opportunities that might not have been available to you previously. We're talking about making sales. You can sell your book for an additional stream of income. How about building your brand? You have a choice of branding your business or branding yourself as an expert. Think Oprah and Dr. Oz, and you will have an idea of how powerful personal branding can be. Personal branding can be tough for shy people, but a book can tell people a lot about who you are, what you know, and why you are worth paying attention to. Help a reporter out, also known as Harrow. The Harrow service connects journalists with experts in the niche. Publishing a book makes you an almost instant expert. You could get coaching clients. If you are seen as an expert, it will be easy to get coaching clients if you would like to add this stream of income to your business. A free copy of your book as a welcome gift for signing up might also be a great way to help you stand out from other coaches in your niche. You could also get consulting work. A book of your own could be the doorway to highly paid consulting work. People are always willing to pay top dollar for the expertise of people who are in the know about products, services, and systems. Host book signings and talks. If you have your own book printed, you will have the chance to get book signings and talks about your work. Bookstores are always eager to get authors in who will help entertain an audience and stimulate sales. Become a public speaker and attend live events. Speaking in public may be a terrifying prospect, but even the shyest people have attended Toastmasters and similar courses in order to learn to become a good public speaker. Then they will become a welcome guest at high-ticket events. You can always be a guest speaker at industry conferences and more. Host your own live events. These can be live online or in person and can do a great deal to enhance your reputation in relation to your niche or industry. Webinars are an ideal way to sell your book or give it as a bonus when someone buys your product. Live events could be as simple as inviting a few guests or offering a full summit. Publish a book and see how it can transform your business for the better.